Hello everyone. Welcome to Samsung Product Consultant. I'm Murat. If you are in the market for a new dryer this month, you are in the right place. As of April 2026, Samsung has some of the most advanced drying technology in the world, and today we are breaking down the entire lineup available in the US market. From high-capacity workhorses to the ultra-stylish Bespoke series, I'm going to review 8 major models in detail, including their latest features and April 2026 market prices. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the heavy hitter, the DV10DB 8440 GBAH. This is a 7.6 cubic feet beast designed for large families who handle mountain-sized laundry loads. What makes this model stand out in 2026 is the integration of quick-dry technology. It uses a dynamic compressor to cut drying times by up to 35% without damaging your clothes. Its AI dry system uses 5 different sensors to monitor temperature and humidity constantly. Because it uses a high-efficiency heat pump, it's also one of the most eco-friendly units on the market today. For those who want the premium Bespoke look in a sleek black finish, this is the top tier. As of April 2026, the average retail price in the US ranges between $1,300 and $1,500. It's an investment in time and energy savings. Next, we have the DV10DG6440 Leah. This model offers that same massive 7.6 cubic feet capacity but comes in a classic white finish for a more traditional laundry room aesthetic. It features the AI control panel, which is incredibly smart. It actually remembers your most used cycles and suggests them first. The optimal dry system is the hero here. It uses 3 sensors to ensure your clothes are never over-dried, which significantly extends the life of your fabrics. It's also fully compatible with the SmartThings app, allowing you to start or stop cycles right from your phone. In April 2026, you can expect to find this model in US stores for an average of $850 to $1,050. Making it a fantastic high-capacity value choice. Moving into the 7.2 cubic feet segment, the DV90DG6845 LBAH is a favorite for those who want cutting-edge tech in a compact-friendly size. This model introduces AI Dry Plus, a sophisticated multi-sensor network that detects not just the moisture level, but also the weight and softness of your fabrics to adjust the drying power mid-cycle. It features the Super Speed Dry program, which is a lifesaver. It can dry a mixed load of synthetics and cottons in just about an hour. The black stainless look finish is very resistant to fingerprints, which is a huge plus for busy homes. Currently, the US market price for this high-tech unit is approximately $1,100 to $1,250. The DV90DG6845 Leah is the white finish twin of the previous model. It carries the same 7.2 cubic feet capacity and that brilliant AI Dry Plus technology. If your laundry room has white cabinetry or lighter tones, this model fits perfectly while still offering top-of-the-line performance. One detail I love as a consultant is the reversible door. You can adjust it to open left or right depending on your room layout. It also includes an internal drum light so you never miss a stray sock again. You can track your energy consumption in real time using the SmartThings Energy Dashboard. In April 2026, this model is trending between $1,000 and $1,150 in the US market. Now we enter the heart of the Bespoke revolution with the DV90BB9445 GBAH. This is 7.2 cubic feet of pure design excellence. The flat panel look is a winner of multiple design awards and completely hides the mechanical complexity of the machine. Beyond the looks, it features AI-powered dry and quick drive as standard. This machine is designed to be seen, not hidden in a closet. Its AI learns your laundry habits so well that it can predict exactly when your load will be finished with 99% accuracy. For those looking for the ultimate modern aesthetic in all black, this is it. The average retail price this month in the US is $1,150 to $1,350. The DV90BB9445 GHAH is perhaps the most elegant model in the entire lineup. It's a 7.2 cubic feet Bespoke unit with a stunning white glass front. If you are going for a minimalist or Scandinavian home design, this white glass finish is breathtaking. It runs incredibly quiet, around 62 decibels, making it perfect for open-concept homes or laundry rooms located near bedrooms. It's equipped with a self-cleaning heat exchanger, which means less maintenance for you and consistent drying performance for years to come. The average U.S. price for this white glass beauty in April 2026 is $1,150 to $1,300. For a more bold, tuxedo look, we have the DV90BB 9445 GMAH. This 7.2 cubic feet bespoke model features a clean white body contrasted with a deep, dark black glass door. It's a high-contrast design that really pops in modern showrooms. Internally, it shares the same high-end specs as its bespoke siblings, including the AI Optimal Dry Sensor Suite and Steam Sanitize Plus, which eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and allergens. It's the perfect middle ground for someone who wants the brightness of a white machine with the modern edge of black glass. You'll find this model priced between $1,100 and $1,250 this month in the US. Finally, for the smart shoppers who want Samsung quality without the premium price tag, we have the DV90DG52A0AEAH. This is a 7.2 cubic feet workhorse that focuses on what matters most: drying your clothes efficiently. It uses the same reliable heat pump technology as the expensive models, meaning it's still incredibly gentle on your utility bill. While it lacks the bespoke flat panel design, it still includes SmartThings Wi-Fi connectivity and the Optimal Dry Sensor System. It's the perfect choice for a first home or a rental property where reliability is key. As of April 2026, this is the best value deal in the US, priced between $750 and $900. So, there you have it, the complete Samsung dryer lineup for April 2026. Whether you go for the massive 7.6 cubic feet bespoke or the reliable value models, you're getting some of the best heat pump technology available today. If you have questions about specific installation requirements or the latest US energy rebates, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Samsung Product Consultant for more expert appliance reviews. I'm Murat, and I'll see you in the next one.